Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how to connect Supercell ID on Brawl Stars. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, go ahead and open up Brawl Stars on your device, and once you open it up, go ahead and tap on the three bars on the top right corner, and from here, tap on Supercell ID. Now, once in here, just tap on login if you already have your email registered and tap on continue. Now here, you can enter your email address and then tap on login. This is going to send a verification code to your email, so go ahead and check your email and look for the code that was sent. So just enter it into this box and then tap on submit. So here it is going to ask you if you want to load game account. Just tap on continue or confirm. And now you connected your account with Supercell. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.